Here's the first tall microwave tower clone. It's got 2 tiers of dual LED beacons, but the top beacon only works for night mode currently because it's malfunctioning. The bottom beacons work for both day and night mode. There it is. I videoed this like 1 year ago too, so this is the second time I'm videoing it. The beacon looks more like a strobe than an LED out there. Yeah, it's called a tall microwave tower clone because of the tall microwave dishes. The microwave dish is on a tall tower. I think these LEDs replaced strobes and incandescents before. Like a strobe and incandescent beacon setup.